Posters with the title PayCM with the picture of Chief Minister Baswaraj Bommai have been affixed across Bengaluru. The QR code will take the user to the 40% Commission Sarkara website that was launched by Congress recently for the complaints. The posters are designed to highlight how 40% commission rate has become a norm under the current BJP regime.
See, it's a known fact that today Karnataka government run by BJP is the most corrupt government in the state, in the country. And it is known fact that 40% commission is being taken for every small or big project the government is taking over. It is a known fact that substantive work is happening and your roads which are laid as recently as 15-20 days, it washes out in the water. So, it's a known fact that Contractor Association has written to the Prime Minister that 40% commission is being sought for clearance of the bills and the Prime Minister chooses to not act on it. So what do the people of the states do? They have to run a campaign and PayCM, PayCM, whatever it is, it's a fact. If talking about corruption is a small thought, we are people with small thoughts. If the Prime Minister chooses to ignore the written complaint of Contractor Association that 40% bribe is being sought, and if that is a big thought, then we are happy being people with small thought.
I came to know from one congressman, even their internal surveys has reflected that Congress is not going to come for power in next elections. People are not going to give power to the Congress in Karnataka. So I think they have become mad. The position like CM, as you know, it is democratically, it is a very important position. They want to reduce even that. As I have said that Congress is the Janaka of corruption. It has spread the corruption to all, as you know, that to earth, air and water. And without that, Congress cannot leave. So, since 8 years, since they are in power, not in power, they have been delusioned. So, their internal survey is also saying that they will not come to the power. Because of such things, they are doing such things. It is really bad for a Congress party which ruled the state and the nation for more than 50 years, stooping to such a level, bringing the democratic positions which has been respected by the people to this level.